I am going to make the ship wake up the giants. Ha 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 ha. Alright, this is the giant city. I will wake up the giants with the Hess ship horn in 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Ha 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 ha. I did it. I woke the giants up with that loud ship horn. Uh-oh, why are they angry at me? Oh no, I am busted.
That's right. Did you just wake us up with that loud ship horn? Tell me the truth right now or we will get you in jail.
Yes, I did. I did that because I thought it would be funny to do that with that ship horn.
It's not funny to do that. You know that waking us up is not okay. That's it. We are taking you home.
John the Troublemaker, how do you steal the ship and wake the giants up? You know that stealing is not okay. That's it. You are grounded until Christmas 2023. Go to your room right now.
Wow.